tornado emergency for Pottowattomie County. The National Weather Service in Norman, Oklahoma, has issued a tornado warning for Pottowattomie County in south-central Oklahoma until 11:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado over Norman, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be completely destroyed. Trees will be derooted. Catastrophic damage to infrastructure will occur. Catastrophic damage to roofs and vehicles will occur. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If no basement is available, lie in a ditch and cover your head with your hands. A tornado warning remains in effect for the following counties: Cleveland County, and the following highways: Highway 9 to 4 between mile marker 67 and 68.